that's coming. They join. Okay, so good day. Today we'll be doing more technical stuff, getting into the details and try to understand more about DeFi. So I'll go ahead to share my screen. All right, cool. So first we get into Binance. So the last class we did a trade, a P2P trade, peer-to-peer trade, whereby we bought some cryptocurrency or we bought BTC. So right now we have BTC in our wallet here. So this is my Binance. Let me shift this. So go to my Binance wallet. Now, when you buy using peer-to-peer, so today I'll be using the desktop. I'll be using from the Binance website and not the mobile app. So when you buy using peer-to-peer, you have your funds in the funding account. So like you see, we have here $21 in the funding account. So what we want to do next is to push it to our spot account. So in the spot account is where we do the buying and selling of cryptocurrency, like you flip. So we come here and let me look for the transfer. So we have transfer here. We click on transfer. So we are transferring from our okay, so we want to switch. We want to transfer from our funding to our fiat, and we want to transfer BTC. So I'm transferring everything. So I confirm. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be going into decentralized exchange. So we've been working with centralized exchange like Binance. Today we'll be moving to decentralized exchange. But before we move there, we need to understand what a token is. We'll also be creating a token and we'll be listing it up. Then we'll try to do a buying and selling. So after this class, the next class, which will be on Tuesday, next week Tuesday, will be our last class. So today we'll just get to understand how basic trading happens. So after transferring to our fiat and spot wallet, so here we have $23. So today we'll be working with the Binance blockchain. So there are different kinds of blockchain. There's Ethereum, there's Binance, there are so many. There's Bitcoin blockchain. So today we'll be working with the Binance blockchain. So the first thing we want to do after transferring to fiat, the next thing we want to buy some BNB token. Now, BNB is the native currency for the Binance blockchain. So just like you have Bitcoin, the native currency for Bitcoin blockchain, you have Binance, native currency for Binance, Ethereum, the native currency for Ethereum blockchain. So we enter our spot wallet. Now we have Bitcoin. So here we say buy, sell, deposit, withdraw. Let me minimize this. Then we have trade in, convert. So what we want to do is go into the trade. So we want to go into the trade. Then we want to go into spot trade. So right now in spot trade, we have BTC against USDT. Now, this is called a trading pair. A trading pair is one currency symbol against another currency. So you can have gold against USD, that is gold against dollar. You could have, let's say, rice against naira. So every commodity has a trading pair. So in trading, mainly there are commodities and there are securities. So commodities are assets that are tangible. So you have rice, you have millet, you have gold, you have cotton, you have silver, you have diesel. So those are commodities because they are tangible. You can see them. Now, for assets that are not tangible, we call them securities. So example of securities are Amazon stock, GT stock or shares. These are commodities. They are not these are assets that are not that tangible, so you call them securities. So the same thing in the digital world. We have although in the digital world we don't call them, they are not classified as securities. They are either tokens or coin. So in this case where we have BTC is a coin, USDT is a coin. So we are trading these two. So you can as well change what you are trading. So let's try to change that. Come, let me check. So what we want to do is we want to trade BTC against BNB because we want to interact on the Binance blockchain, which the native token is BNB. So we change USDT to BNB, which is Binance coin. That isn't visible. Let me go back. I'm trying to change this. Okay, let me shift this. Okay, so in the right side, we have different currencies. So in this case, we want to enter BNB. Before, this used to be in the left. So we want to trade BNB against USDT, BTC, because what we have in our spot wallet is BTC. So we can still go to BTC and look for BNB. Okay, so BTC and BNB. Yeah, so this is it. So we click on it, we enter into that trading pair. So now we have BNB against BTC. So the left is BNB. That means you are buying against BTC, you are selling. So let's come here. So what we have here, we want to buy BNB. So we have BTC, you can see the amount. It's asking us how much of BNB do we want to buy. We say we want to buy everything. We want to sell, all our BTC. And it says when we sell, we'll be getting 0.068 BNB. So what we are doing here is a limit sell. So limit sell, I can put at what amount I want to sell BNB. So it will add it to the order book. So for now, we don't want to do that. We'll just do a market order. The market order says, just sell my BTC at market rate, which is the current rate. So it will go faster. So that is what we are doing now. So we say we want to sell all, and we say buy BNB. So once you do that, it's added in the order book, but because it's a market trade, it automatically goes through. So if you go back to our wallet, we check fiat and spot. We'll notice now instead of BTC, we have BNB. So now this is a centralized trade. It's centralized because we are using an exchange that determines what we do when we trade. And again, it's also centralized because another aspect of centralization is that of the order book. So the order book makes it that whatever you are selling, on that person you have to match up with that. So we'll be seeing a different thing going forward. So now we have BNB. The next thing we'll do is to transfer this BNB into our MetaMask wallet. So we are using MetaMask wallet. Come, let me put my So we are using MetaMask wallet because it gives us access to decentralized exchange. So our MetaMask serves as our key, that is our identity. So our wallet serves as our key to interact in the decentralized world or on that blockchain. So in MetaMask, there are different blockchains. So the default blockchains that come in MetaMask is Ethereum mainnet. But to have another blockchain, so since we are interacting on the Binance blockchain, you want to switch to Binance blockchain. So in case you don't have Binance blockchain as one of the networks, what you do is to click on settings. So you click here, you go on settings. Yes, okay, so down to MetaMask. So if you don't have a particular network, you can go to settings and you can click on networks. Now, under that settings, there are different networks. You can either select, but in case you want to add, you can click on add network. It will open a page whereby you can add the network you want. So these are networks that are not yet added. So if I want Arbitron network, I'll just click on add. So if you don't have Binance, okay, finally. So if you don't have Binance, you are going to see Binance chain here, then you can add it. Okay, so let's go back. So we want to send our converted funds, which is BNB, into our MetaMask wallet. So right now in this account, we have just 0.02 BNB. So we want to copy the account address. Go back to Binance, go to that particular currency, then we want to click on withdraw. So we are withdrawing, we are removing. So when you click on withdraw, it asks you, hope you know what you are doing? You say, I got it. Then it requests for your address. So you paste the address. In this case, our MetaMask wallet. You can also use Trust Wallet, but in this case, we are using our system to trade. So put our MetaMask wallet. Then it detects that this is a BIP20 wallet. Now, Binance have two aspects of it. There's Binance network, which is the blockchain itself, and it has a different currency. And there's Binance Smart Chain, which has a different currency. But in this case, we are using the Binance Smart Chain, and the currency is in BIP20. So you can see different, this is the Binance chain. So we want to select Binance Smart Chain for the currency. Then it asks what is the amount we want to trade. In this case, we'll put maximum amount, right? So we are sending everything out. So here it tells us, okay, we are sending 0.027, and we say yes, we want to withdraw. So it will ask us to confirm. Now you want to be careful when sending out funds. If you make a mistake, your money is gone. So you want to be careful, cross-check the address, cross-check the network you are sending it to before sending. So we say continue. So they'll send me a code. Money is going out of the account, so they have to verify that I'm the one doing it. So I copy and I paste. Then I copy and I paste. So I submit. Okay, so this says it's completed. So we'll just wait for